This is a critical moment, and a lot of viewers miss what's really happening here. The judge isn't punishing Miss Davis for being addicted or needing medication, she's addressing bond compliance. Legally speaking, a bond isn't just about showing up to court. It's a contract with the court that says, while you're out, you follow the law. And the judge explains it very clearly. Marijuana is illegal under Texas law, and self-medicating with it is still a violation, regardless of intent. What makes this intense is that Miss Davis tries to argue fairness. I haven't been prosecuted yet, but that's not how bond works.
Staying the same. If it's not going down every 2 weeks, the amount in your system, then I'm going to assume you're still using, and you're going to have your bond raised, and there'll be a warrant for your arrest, and you'll go back to jail. You understand? Ms. Davis, when's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
I waiting to get my medicine.
What does smoking marijuana have to do with getting your medicine?
Well, I mean, I self-medicated myself because I don't have any medicine. So I was smoking to keep me like...
What medicine? What medicine do you need?
Adderall, Buzzprone, and Promax.
What doctor are you going to?
Dr. N.
Spell it?
N?
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
You don't know how to spell it?
No, I don't.
Where is he?
He's on Baptist.
He's at Baptist Hospital? Or
Well, he's on the side by Baptist Hospital. Dr. N. Like Dr. Kinagani. He's not too far from Dr. Kinagani.
Okay.
But he a new doctor. I was going to Dr. Kinagani at first.
Okay. When's the last time you saw Dr. Ian?
I see Dr. N today at 2.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Davis. Couple of things. One, I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks instead of 30 days. I'm going to order that you wear a drug patch. You have 24 hours to go get a drug patch on. Your bondsman can tell you where to get that. So between today and tomorrow, you got to have a drug patch on your arm. You get them changed every 2 weeks. I'm going to assume that this first one is probably still going to be positive for marijuana. But the drug patch gives me quantities, not just positive or negative. So it's going to show me that it's either going up or down or staying the same. If it's not going down every 2 weeks, the amount in your system, then I'm going to assume you're still using, and you're going to have your bond raised, and there'll be a warrant for your arrest, and you'll go back to jail. You understand?
I have a question. Can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Sure.
I can ask you a question.
I just said you can ask me a question.
What's the point of the drug patch if I admitted that I was smoking, and it's like I told you I'm without medicine, I'm disabled. So it's like...
So here's the thing. There are many people who have issues that don't use marijuana to self-medicate. So I'm ordering that you can't do that. And for me to be comfortable with you being out in the community, I'm going to make that a condition of your bond. It's a violation of the law to self-medicate with marijuana.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing it, because it's illegal.
Okay.
And you made that choice to smoke marijuana while you had a felony
I
pending.
did.
Okay, so...
I'm not...
Before we even get into the judge's warning, pause right here, because this case sets the tone fast. We're watching a bond hearing where everything is on the line: freedom, credibility, and accountability. Miss Davis is already on thin ice, and the judge makes it crystal clear: if the drug levels don't go down, the bond goes up, and jail is back on the table. What sounds like a routine question about marijuana quickly turns into a much bigger issue about self-medication, legality, and responsibility while facing a felony charge. And here's the twist: the defendant believes honesty will help her case, but in a courtroom, honesty doesn't always equal leniency.
I'm not... I haven't been prosecuted.
You're being prosecuted right now. You haven't been found guilty, but you're charged with a felony.
Right.
And so you're on a bond, which means a bond is for certain things. It's to make sure that you show up to court. It's also to make sure that you and the community are safe and you're not violating the laws of the state of Texas, which you have done already while you're on bond. Typically, if somebody violates the laws while they're on bond, their bond is raised immediately and they go to jail. I'm not doing that today, but I am ordering that you have the drug patch. If I don't have proof that you have the drug patch, by tomorrow, there will be a warrant for your arrest. If I get a result from the drug patch, again, and it's higher or the same, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You cannot use any illegal substance. In addition to that, a condition of your bond is that you're not allowed to use any form, legal or not, of THC. So there's no trying to go get something that's going to still test positive, but it's legal in Delta 8 or 9 or all the things that whatever's out there. So you can't use anything that's going to test positive for it. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? I need you to answer yes or no so it's on the record.
Yes.
Thank you. So in the meantime, also, you need to try to hire a lawyer. And so your reset between now and 2 weeks, it's not a very long one, but I want to make sure you start attempting to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do, okay?
Yes.
If you're unable to hire a lawyer before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, you have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. Also, when you come back, please bring me proof of your visit with your doctor this afternoon, okay? So get something from your doctor from today's date when you come back so that I know that you're actually going, okay?
It depends on how much they're gonna charge me for this. I don't have Medicaid, so.
But you have an appointment?
Yeah, I
Okay.
made the appointment, but I'm saying I don't have insurance. So
Okay.
I don't know what the charge is gonna be like. This is my first time going through.
Perfect. That's fine. I understand that. But just to get something that says you
Okay.
were there. Okay, so if it doesn't work out and you can't see them, there are some other places you can go if you need something to get the help you need. If you talk to your bondsman, if you want to talk after court, somebody can let you know some other resources. Okay?
Okay.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She's going to give you your reset notice.
It's actually going to be 3 weeks because I.
David Greer. Can y'all help me look real quick and see what the bonds are on each of his cases? This one. Good morning. Are you David Greer? Mr. Greer, this is your initial appearance in 2 cases. The first is cause number 24 DCCR 2220. And in that case, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from August 24th of 2024. And then you also have cause number 25 DCCR 0324, where you're also charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, and that's from January 27th of 2025. So, since you've made bond in these cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's on the process right now.
Who are you planning on hiring?
I'm really undecided right now.
Okay.
Just trying to,
Speak up where I can hear you.
I say I'm really undecided right now.
Are you working?
Not currently, because I currently just had to throw it out, like again for the, I think it was some misdemeanors or something that was picked up. So I had to throw it out right after I had just run out on the other case. So I really haven't had time.
Do you have your GPS device on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so you made a $100,000 bond and a $20,000 bond. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Greer, is, hold on, let me look at one thing before I do that. Where are your previous felonies from? Where have you been convicted of felonies? What counties?
It was just gonna.
Here in Jefferson County? How can I see on here? Go to where? I don't know what you're my what? I don't see summary.
Click on your star. Or actually go to parties.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Greer, if I test you this morning, you gonna have something in your system? No? All right, let's double check that and then we'll figure out what to do, okay? Just have a seat in the jury box. Mr. Greer, when did you bond out?
Like sometime last month, like it was like either last month or in the beginning, because I bought out 2 times back to back. So it was like.
So you but within a month, you bonded out, and then you smoked marijuana before coming to court with 2 felonies pending.
What you mean?
You tested positive for THC
You said this morning.
before court.
Oh.
So within the last month, after bonding out for 2 felonies, you've already made a bond on one of those of $100,000. You smoked marijuana. When? The last time you smoked?
By the time we reach this moment with Mr. Greer, the pattern becomes clear. The court is dealing with repeated felony charges, high-dollar bonds, and immediate violations after release. Testing positive for THC while out on a $100,000 bond isn't a small slip. It's a direct breach of the court's trust. Judges weigh public safety, flight risk, and compliance, and once violations stack up, patience disappears fast. Across both cases in this video, the takeaway is the same. Bond is a privilege, not a right. The court isn't debating personal struggles, it's enforcing legal boundaries.